Hello friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech. This is Vivo Y17 smartphone. In this video, we learn how you can use split screen in Vivo Y17 smartphone. First, you need to go to any app. I open Google Chrome and use your 3 fingers swiping down. Just swipe down with your 3 finger. Screen is splitted into 2 parts. In the another part, you can open another app. Here I open calculator. You can also adjust the height of the split. To close the split screen, just click on 3 dots and click close button. Once again, I repeat the process. So in this way you can use split screen in Vivo Y17 smartphone. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Until then, bye.